So I was up at the Rosedale till about midnight last night, just finishing up. We're finishing some concrete up there that we just decided to do ourselves to save some money. Now we're back here first thing in the morning, picked up this truck. We're kind of moving day for us, so we're gonna move all the simulators and everything. We're painting up there, but just a lot to do today to be open in less than a week. Scary. So we've got lots of stuff here. The crates are all the simulator, the bases that you saw, the seats and everything like that. So we crated those up. This is what we got them shipped to, Fragile, which Eric didn't get. You get that Christmas Story. Come on, how do you not know that?
Fragile. It must be Italian.
Well, I think that says fragile, honey.
Oh. We have you ever seen this many TVs? This is how many TVs it takes. I haven't counted them, but these are all the monitors for those. And then inside, we have all that. Well, let's go inside those. So these are all the large, very big frames. All in the same while. We're open for business as normal, even though our site looks like crap here. No, Jason, you're not gonna hide. Jason's trying to hide back there.
Fat people can't hide.
Excellent. Hi, Adam.
Hey, good morning. Hey.
He's my big teddy bear. He's putting on a fake happy face because he's tired too.
Everything is gonna be okay. Calm down.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
I've still got cement dust coming out my nose.
Jason grinded.
Actually, I believe the proper would be ground.
Great thing is
I grinded.
Working at the sandbox is first thing Friday morning, I basically said, hey Jason, what do you got to do at the sandbox today? What do you have, about 100 things to do?
106.
I said, hey, I need you to go up to the mall and grind concrete.
I had to drive through the cities.
Which he doesn't like driving in the city.
I don't know if anyone is going to think any of this is funny, but we think it's funny. That's what counts. Hey guys, this is Adam with Extreme Sandbox, and I'm loading up the trailer right now that we're going to take over to Rosedale Center here, because we have to get all this stuff over. Cut. Take two. Hey guys, we're going to Extreme Sandbox Mini. We're taking all this stuff up to get put in its final resting place. Is that morbid? Yes. All right.
So we just finished, and now we're tired. We're really tired. 2:45. We were planning to leave by 1.
We're 2 hours behind.
Which is nothing that we're not used to, but it's a Saturday, and none of us want to be here really late. So I say let's get up there and just maybe open the door and go quick and see if everything will just fall out.
Like the magic tablecloth trick.
So pull this up.
This will be fun. Rockstar, this is what gets me through when we're having long hours and a lot to get done. Send me a free case of these, please, Rockstar. Thank you.
Eric's fault on his camera placement. We're trying to get stuff done. Well, we can skip. This was crunch time.
Perfect. Great. That's great. Right
That
there.
it looks.
I was wondering if you guys saw that or not.
It looks a lot clearer, but it's on a small piece of paper. It's blurry. No bueno.
Almost like we
You didn't catch any of my
billboard
curse words, did you?
Quality.
What do you think? You're the video guy.
It's blurry.
It's no one's fault but our own. We knew it would be potentially blurry, but we weren't
because it's so
anticipating that
far
blurry.
away.
That'll be our next thing to figure out.
That's pretty awesome.
Hell yeah.
Brent, good job.
Thanks, man.
Awesome.
The colors, why you don't have the same pop?
You happy about it?
I think it looks awesome. Thanks, guys.
We like it. We're almost there. We're still not ready to open. If we just needed a sign, we'd be ready to go, but there's a few more pieces into it. Brent's awesome. Creative color. Best graphic designer you'll ever find.
Appreciate it, Randy.
How much pay me for that? Oh wait, yeah, I kind of
I love
are
you,
actually.
man. I love
the
you,
deal he
man.
gave me. That looks nice. We're real life construction now. We have traffic barrels.
So this didn't fit in the post office box, right?
No, this isn't even that
Oh.
shipment. Okay, you get them off. I'll carry them in.
No, go ahead.
Oh yeah, that completes it. No. Thank God the camera guy came in to solve all our problems. How many Extreme Sandbox workers does it take to try and put a light on top of a barrel? Instructions, what are those? What are those? Just so you know, clearly if a woman came in here, this would already been done. So. Oh, sorry. Cut that out. So yeah, we're in. It's been a very, 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 very long weekend and week, but we got the simulators in. They're all loaded up, no damage to them. They all booted up all right, so that's a victory. And we'll just finish up. We got a lot more work here to get ready this week. Dave's got this, right?
Yeah, we're all over it, boss.
We-
No problem.
No problem. Dave's got this.